All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is transfer my ETH from Coinbase to my MetaMask. So I'm going to do that. I actually hit send all. 623, make sure it lasts. Yep, perfect. We're going to do this because we are going to stake cake. Send now. Okay. All right. Beautiful. So we'll wait for that to get sent. Go back over here. And then while it's doing that, we're going to need sushi swap. Is it sushi swap? Or is it the other? Is it Uniswap? Nope, it's not Uniswap. Might be sushi swap. It's not sushi swap. It's the other swapping one. What am I missing? It's not swap.io. Which one is that swap? All right, I see swap ETH to cake. Let's see who lets me swap ETH to cake. I've done it. Simple swap. That's it. There you go. All right, simple swap. All right, so we're in simple swap. Did my money come? Yep. 4890's there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're in simple swap. Ethereum to cake. Look, it's already done it. All right. So we're sending ETH 1.73. All right. My cake address. So we gotta go to Binance. Because if you don't have it, you gotta make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. That's where my cake's gonna go, to the same wallet. Here, exchange. Okay, make my deposit. Copy here. Go back over to MetaMask. I'm logged out because someone else is on it. Let's go to my Ethereum blockchain. Send. Gas price has been failed due to network error. Okay, make sure it's going to the right place. 87, yep. Just in case you can't see it, I'll do an expanded view. Because sometimes when I do stuff, network error. Okay. All right, so what happens is my son was logged in. So I had him log out. He was using my computer for something else. So we're going to go back. All right, copy our address again. We're going to try this again. Insufficient funds for gas. So I don't have enough money for gas, so I got to go in and adjust what I'm sending. So now let's go back. Okay, cancel. So I'm gonna say 1.7 instead. All right, so now we're here at simpleswap.io. I'm gonna say 1.7 ETH. And we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to the Binance chain. Same address. But just so you can see. Go here. Exchange. Hopefully I got enough to cover. All right. Deposit. I'm going to send it from MetaMask here. Keeps telling me it's a network error. Okay. So now that that's being sent, see here it's pending. So once that's finished, it's going to go ahead and transfer. Okay, send. Beautiful. And over here, you're going to receive your cake once it's finished sending. But sometimes it takes a while, and then while you're here on this screen, it'll show you exactly how long it takes. Once we have our cake, I also have some BNB already, but you're going to need BNB in order to stake cake. You're going to need BNB. So if you don't have BNB, you're going to do the same process at SimpleSwap, but instead of swapping for cake, you're going to swap for BNB. BNB, you don't need that much. I mean, it's like whatever the minimum is, that's what I'd swap out for BNB. So once that's finished, we'll head over to PancakeSwap Finance and we'll stake some cake. So we'll just wait for this to finish and then we'll come back once this deposit is confirmed. All right, went from pending deposit to confirming, and then soon to be exchanging, and then very soon sending. And then we'll be able to start the actual staking. All right, so it looks like it was successfully completed. Let's go over to MetaMask. Bam, we see our 735 cake. So now we got our cake, we have our BNB. I'm over here. I'm already connected. If you're not connected on PancakeSwap.finance, connect your wallet. My wallet's already connected. I'm going to go to earn. Earn. Pools. And as you see, I already have right here 380 cake staked. My recent cake profit, it shows you there. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this and put some more in. So I got 380. Go ahead. What does it say? At MetaMask. There it is. Doom, doom, doom. Okay, so you can do all these other things. View product, view contract. I don't care about all that stuff. All right, go for it. Add 735 more. So it says here, if I add this, it's 4,812, right? And it's interesting because I deposited 5,000. By the time it came over to here, I've already lost almost $200 in fees. Deposit the max. At that rate, I'll make 2,900 annually. So if you divide that by 12, $241 a month, plus the stuff that I already had. Go ahead, confirm. See how much BNB I'm sending over? It's like 0.0000 0.20019 BNB. Transaction submitted. And previously had 300 and change. Now I'm sticking with 735. Just confirming. All right. And I've got 1116 cake, which is $7,300 US. And that's how you stake cake. And I did this one, auto cake, automatic staking, because then it just re-stakes the cake for me. So, whereas some of them, it'll stake it for a period of time. You can take it out, but then you got to go back and put it in. I just keep restaking it because I'll tell you why I like staking cake. So here, it's at 658. But if you go into the historical data, everything's been down. But if you look at historically, let's go to max. Right? So after, obviously this is when it first came out. So came out, and then it'll tell you. It went as high as all-time high, $43. And it began at 19 cents, right? But from that, 43, right? It's come down, and then it's leveled off here. And so now, you look, right? We had the crypto, everything kind of went tick-tank, a nosedive in January. But for me, if I could get more coins, more tokens for an entity that has this kind of market cap and that has the kind of trading volume that they have, not just in their tokens, but in terms of what they're actually providing with swapping coins and charging fees, yeah, I could stake that. So, there you are. I just want to show you that, and now again, I keep track of everything, so I'm going to go ahead and make a notation. I currently have 1116 cakes, and I'll keep that on, and we'll keep watching and see how it does.